hello out there wherever you are. As for me, well, I was invited out to some haunted houses in central PA, so we took a little trip, and we're staying at a Holiday Inn, which is something, I'll be honest, I didn't realize still existed. I assume every Holiday Inn was now a Holiday Inn Express, but this is a tried and true, bona fide Holiday Inn. We're in Holiday Inn, Morgantown, Pennsylvania, and looking forward to the stay. You always like to check out a new hotel I haven't stayed at, to see how it looks, see how it feels, see what the room looks like. I do know that I did book through Priceline, got a pretty good rate. I mean, like sub $100 a night rate, and they did do a little snafu. Priceline kind of dropped the ball a little bit there, so when they straightened it out, they actually booked us slightly better accommodations that we would have had with the standard cheaper rate. We did like a Priceline Express deals thing, so this is like, it's a Holiday Inn. I mean, I can't imagine there's some presidential suite or anything, but it's supposedly an upgraded room versus the standard room. So let's go step inside Holiday Inn, Morgantown, Pennsylvania, and Tom was here.
Hi there, Mark Summers here. You're watching Tom is Here, and ready? On your mark, get set, go!
Well, first impressions, this lobby is absolutely massive. I mean, it certainly seems like a lot of wasted space considering how absolutely big it is. Like, the ceilings are really, really high. It's pretty crazy. Hey, look at this. See-through elevators and everything. Look at this Holiday Inn. You can eat, you can sit, stay, eat, drink. All right. $4.29. Oh, we are this way. Fancy. Oh, executive level. Ooh, fancy times. It's the executive level. Yeah, because of a Priceline error, we got an upgraded room in the executive level. What does that entail? So much excitement. Is it the presidential suite? Is it a corner room? I'll tell you what, it's at the end of the hallway. That's never a bad thing. $4.29. All right. Boot up. All right. Oh, these digs. Ooh. All right. Got some nice, upgraded television, perhaps? I don't know. I don't know what the difference is.
What's upgraded?
Yeah, what's the upgraded room versus a standard room? Got a fridge. Looks like a nice size fridge. A little seating area. Lamp. Yeah, where's the upgrade? What is the upgrade? You tell me.
This is
not bad.
not bad, but
nice
like a
size.
standard room.
Yeah, well, I guess we'll have to see the other room to see whether it's a
Yeah,
standard.
what's on it?
Yeah, I gotta know.
And a nightlight.
Yeah, it's a closet. All right, so okay, one sink, space for two, standard turlet. We got some. Okay, not a super big bathroom by any stretch. Full-length mirror. Okay, it's a room. It's a room. It's a Holiday Inn room. I haven't been in a regular Holiday Inn in a considerable amount of time. Always Holiday Inn Express. The executive level with a scenic view of the parking lot and a McDonald's. So yeah, okay. That is a Holiday Inn, room 428, Holiday Inn Morgantown, Pennsylvania. In the executive room, you get this type of experience. Hey, you got the pool down there, a little hot tub, and that's in the lobby, like the main lobby area. I have not seen one person use this pool. I assume it's not heated or anything, but, you know, it is indoors, so. But yeah, the areas around like the 4th floor, like I said, they could use a little love. They could use a little love for sure, but it's a big property, massive property here. So they got bar down here. You got like it's attached to this like convention center. It goes on back there, but very, very cool. Very nice. Not bad. Yeah, they got like a whole showroom floor back there. There's clearly some event going on too. Like the cornhole. That's a... I mean, is that standard distance? Feels pretty far. But still, pretty nice. Checkout day at the Holiday Inn, Morgantown, Pennsylvania. I can officially say, as an adult person, I stayed in an actual Holiday Inn and not a Holiday Inn Express. The rooms, they can tell they've redone them probably in the past 10 years or so. I didn't notice any cracks, any peeling, anything. The carpets didn't really have any noticeable stains on it. So it looks like the rooms were pretty well taken care of. Now, that does not extend to, say, the lobby, general hallways area, which do need some love. That's where you see like the cracking, like there's stains on the carpet and stuff like that. So definitely need to do that there. And if it would be a bigger problem if I was staying in the hallway or the above levels lobby near the elevators thing. But since I'm not, I don't really make that a big deal. Like, it doesn't really bother me all that much. They may bother you more, but like the, I don't know if you heard the air conditioner kick on now. Air conditioner's a little loud, but not to the point of, like, it didn't bother me any. Like I said, buyer beware in regards to that. Like, if it's something where, you might have a difference of opinion based on how you stay versus how I stay. But personally, you give me a room that looks clean, which this is, has a big fridge, which is great, has a, it's pretty well maintained that I noticed. That's fine by me. Shower water pressure is, not bad. I mean, it's not, you're not going to get any firm water pressure by any stretch. It's definitely like a soft water. And the shower didn't get overly warm. It got warm, but not overly. So like I said, if that's something that, bothers you, maybe that, that's something that's there. But for the folks that are going to stay in Morgantown, Pennsylvania, which is kind of a little bit of, down the way from, say, about an hour from Hershey, about 30 minutes, 40 minutes or so from Lancaster, PA. Lancaster. Is that what it is? When I stayed in Lancaster, it's either Lancaster or Lancaster. I think it's Lancaster, if I remember correctly. But if you're staying in Morgantown, they have a very nice yet small casino right across the street, the Hollywood Casino. I did pretty well there. I turned $20 into $180, and then of course lost some of that and turned it into $150. But still, $20 into $150, not that bad considering you're playing on small amounts. So that was pretty good. But as far as the Holiday Inn, I can say that at one point this is probably like the crown jewel of Holiday Inns. It's a massive property. The lobby area when you walk in is crazy. Like, all the 4 floors you can see, they have like a convention center type thing attached to it. At least that's what it appears to be. And then there's a classic auto mall next door. So there's quite a lot going on in this property, including a bar. We did not frequent the bar, but they got cornhole. They have a pool in the lobby main area. So there's a boatload of stuff going on here, and it's not a bad stay. But that'll wrap it up for the Holiday Inn, Morgantown, Pennsylvania. Guys, thanks so much for watching. If you are new here, make sure to like, share, subscribe. You like support me on Patreon like John Bailey, like Brett Persing, like Fayen. You can do so. Link is in the description below. If you'd like to buy a t-shirt, a TomWasHere t-shirt, you can do so at Spreadshirt, as well as links to my eBay store, Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok, whatnot, Arena Club. The links are in the description below. When it comes to the Holiday Inn, Morgantown, Pennsylvania, I can officially say that my name is Tom and I was here. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye, everyone.